Fluently English. Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Fluently English. In this video you will listen to some daily conservation and improve your English speaking skills. So let's start.
Good morning, my love. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, baby. Yes, but I missed you.
Or, I missed you too. Have a great day ahead.
You too. Don't forget to eat breakfast. Guess what?
What?
I just realized something.
What is it?
You make my heart skip a beat every time I see your name pop up.
Oh, you are the cutest. I miss you so much.
I miss you more. When are we meeting?
Soon. I promise. I just want to hug you right now.
Me too. Counting the days until we meet. Babe, what are we doing this weekend?
How about dinner and a movie?
Sounds perfect. I'll pick the movie.
Deal. And I'll get your favorite dessert.
Who were you talking to for so long?
Just a friend.
Should I be jealous?
Haha. No need. My heart belongs only to you.
Have you eaten yet?
Not yet. Busy with work.
Baby, don't skip meals.
Okay. I'll eat now because my queen said so. Are you still mad at me?
Maybe.
What can I do to make it up to you?
Ice cream and extra hugs.
Done. Now smile for me. You're my happiness.
And you're my everything.
Just wanted to say that I love you.
Oh, that made my day. I love you too.
Thanks for watching videos. Like, subscribe, share.